Hello everyone, this is Parrish Black of the Inner City Crusaders and Parrish Black, also known as Parrish. Today is October 5th, 2011, a Wednesday afternoon, time 2:30 p.m. This short video is about my observation, which showed me that a great deal of birds have left my community. I began to take notice of this last week when I finished up on a few projects, and each day for 3 days around 12 or 1 p.m. I began to look out my window and I noticed that there were no birds flying around nearly at all. I would look out the window like for quite a while, for those, the time that I was looking out the window last week, and see not one bird. Many years ago, I would just say this last year, used to be birds flying around in this community, sparrows, all type of birds and stuff. But now, as you see, as I'm recording, there's no birds. And I know that usually before a big earthquake comes in a community, small little animals, or more or less, disappear, go somewhere else, to a safer place. But this is bizarre. And we did have an earthquake 2 months ago. Okay? Before the hurricane hit New York City, Hurricane Irene. So, like I said, this is just a short video of my observation. And in my opinion, here in October 2011 in New York, it's supposed to be very cold, somewhat frigid. Because when I was growing up, and used to go to school in October, I remember wearing jackets and, sweaters. But as you see, people just walking on here, t-shirts on, so the sun is out. So, like I said, this is a short video about the absence of sparrows, pigeons, even seagulls. Okay, thank you for watching this video.